Everyone thinks the best-selling trickle chargers for riding lawn mowers are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Smart Float Charger. First up is the 6V12V battery charger 1.5A automatic battery maintainer. Priced around $29, this charger caught my eye because of its smart float technology. If you want a reliable option to keep your mower's battery topped off, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.5A rate means it won't overcharge your battery, providing the perfect maintenance for those long off-seasons. Its versatility with 6V and 12V systems makes it suitable for various vehicles, including your riding mower. Plus, with over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice among buyers. Now, some people complained about the lack of clear instructions. Here's the thing though, if you're familiar with battery chargers, you'll likely find it intuitive enough. But if you're a complete beginner, you might need to watch a tutorial or two. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, effective charger that does the job without fuss. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a display or complex features. For the price, it definitely delivers value for your money. Now, if that lack of clear instructions bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, 6A Automatic Smart Charger. Next up is the battery charger 6A 12V Automatic Smart Battery Trickle Charger. Priced at $22.95, this one grabbed my attention with its desulfation feature. If you want to prolong your battery's life, this is a solid contender. Here's why this matters. The desulfation feature helps break down lead sulfate crystals that can build up over time, which means your battery can hold a charge longer. With a temperature compensation feature, it adjusts charging based on the environment, enhancing safety. Over 1,000 of these have been sold recently, showing it's a trusted option. However, some users noted that it can get warm during operation. Here's the thing, a little warmth is expected, but if you're concerned about overheating, just make sure it's in a well-ventilated area. This is perfect for you if you're keen on maintaining your battery's health over the long haul. Skip this one if you want something that charges quickly rather than maintaining. For its price, it's a great investment for your mower. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for simple, everyday use. Product number 3, 1A Battery Charger Maintainer. Coming in at number 3 is the car battery charger 12V 1A Battery Charger Maintainer. At just $17.52, this is your budget-friendly choice. If you're after affordability without sacrificing quality, this one's worth considering. What's great here is the 1A charging rate, which is gentle on your battery, making it perfect for seasonal use. Plus, it has a compact design, making storage a breeze. With around 100 sold last month, it's gaining traction. However, some feedback mentioned it lacks advanced features like overcharge protection. Here's the thing, for simple tasks, this charger does what it needs to do. If you want bells and whistles, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward charger without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want advanced features. For its price, it's a fantastic value and gets the job done. Now, if you need something a bit more sophisticated, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, Fully Automatic Trickle Charger. Next, we have the MBC016, a 6V/12V1A fully automatic trickle battery charger maintainer. Priced at $22.73, it offers a smart solution for those with multiple vehicles. If you want something that adapts to your needs, this one's a good choice. The fully automatic feature means you can just connect it and forget about it. And with 50+ units sold last month, it's proving to be a reliable option. That said, some users found it a bit slow to charge. Here's the thing, if you're looking for speed, this may not be your best bet, but for maintaining your battery over time, it does its job well. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you need a fast charger. For the price, it's a great option for peace of mind. Now, if you want something a little more high-tech, stick around for the last product. Product number 5, 1.25A Smart Battery Charger. Finally, we have the 1.25A 6V12V Smart Battery Charger, priced at $23.99. What caught my eye here is its fully automatic charging process. If convenience is your top priority, this one's worth a look. This charger features a smart design that optimizes the charging process based on your battery's needs. However, a few users mentioned it was tricky to determine when charging is complete. Here's the thing, while it's a minor inconvenience, you can easily monitor it yourself if you check regularly. This is perfect for you if you value convenience and battery protection. Skip this one if you need more clarity on the charging process. For the price, it's a reliable choice that simplifies battery maintenance. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 excellent Trickle chargers for riding lawn mowers. The Smart Float charger is great for straightforward maintenance. The 6-amp Smart Charger excels in battery health. The budget-friendly 1A charger is perfect for simplicity. The fully automatic option is user-friendly, and the Smart Battery charger brings convenience. Consider your specific needs and pick the one that's right for you.